Hello guys, today I've got the XIAOMI Mijia Smart glasses and I'm going to show you how to pair them with your iPhone. So at first, what you need to do is to open the settings in your iPhone. Then go to Bluetooth over here and wait a moment. Here, now you need to take your glasses to your hands and search for these controls over here, touch controls. It's right here and right here on the other side. You need to hold these buttons simultaneously on each side for at least 30 seconds when wearing to enable your pairing mode. Then tap your device in this in the devices list, and after a moment you'll be good to go. I think now we are lagged. I hate this feeling. Wait a moment. Now we are connected somehow. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.